Today we are going to see bills receivable book. When goods are sold on credit, the buyers may accept a bill for the value of goods purchased by him. This is called bills receivable. From whom received, date of bill, term, date of maturity, amount. Bills payable book. The details of bills accepted by the buyer are recorded in this book. The details of bills accepted by the buyer are recorded in this book. So number, to whom given, date of bill, terms, date of maturity, amount. So this is very important. Journal proper. A book for recording all transactions having no place in other day books, that is called, that journal entries will comes under journal proper. Books for recording all other transaction having no place in other day books. So except all these four day books, the remaining entries will come under journal proper. For example, depreciation. So depreciation account data to machinery account. Okay. So under these two character will not enter anywhere. Credit purchase, you don't have purchase, you cannot enter purchase book, sales book, purchase return, sales return, wherever. So these are the exceptional case. So outstanding expenses, this is also we cannot. So expenses account data to outstanding expenses account. So this entry also we cannot place anywhere. So it comes under journal proper. Date particular, LF, debit amount, credit amount. Here we have on double column cash book. C. The following transaction related to Mr. Tools India. So bank balance 42,000, cash balance 15,000, purchased goods by check 12,000, sale of goods for cash 6,000, purchased machinery by check 5,500, sold goods and received check 4,500, purchased goods for Mithula in cash 17,400, purchased stationery by check 1,100, check given to Rohit 1,500, cash withdrawn from bank 10,000, rent paid by check 2,500, paid salary 3,500. The double column cash book based upon the above business transaction will be prepared as follows. C. First entry, balance brought down. So balance cash nature, cash book nature is debit because this is current asset. So debit side, September 1, balance brought down. Bank balance, say in the column of bank column 42,000, in the column of cash column 15,000. Second entry, C. Purchased goods by check. Purchased goods by check. So purchase account data to bank account. So here bank is credit. So you place your credit bank column and write 12,000 by purchase. Sale of goods for cash. Sale of good for cash. Cash account data to sale account. Here cash is debit side. So cash account data, you place your cash column, your debit cash column, you place your hand, your debit cash column and write 6,000 to sale. See the next one, September 13, Purchase machinery by check. Machinery account data to bank. Machinery account data to bank. So here bank is credit side. So credit bank column, you place your hand credit bank column and write 5,500 by machinery. See, sold goods and received check deposited same day. Here sold goods and see, this is very important, sold goods and received check and deposited into same day. If this condition is given, you have to consider as a 4,000 same day. See here under this cash account data to sale, cash account data to sale, because or else we deposited the same day, no? So bank account data to sale account. So bank account data. So you place your hand your debit bank column and write sale. Purchase goods for Mritula in cash 17,400. Purchase goods for goods from Mritula in cash. So here purchase account data to cash account. Cash is credit side, cash in credit nature. You place your hand in credit cash column and write purchase 17,400. Purchase stationery by check 1,100. Purchase account, sorry, stationery items. So stationery account data to bank. Here bank is credit side. You place your credit bank column 1,100 and write by stationery. Check given to Rohan. Check given to Rohan. So here Rohit account data to bank account. Here bank placing credit side. You just hold your hand on your credit column, bank credit side bank column, and write by Rohit. Cash withdrawn by cash withdrawn from bank. Cash withdrawn from bank. Then cash account data to bank account. See here the both character will interfere. One is um, plus side and another one is minus side, because cash withdrawn from bank, cash inflow. So what comes in debit according to real account, what comes in debit. So cash account data to bank. So according to the nominal rule, debit the receiver, credit the giver. Who give who give money for that? Bank. So cash account data to bank account. This is called contra entry, because both column will affect at the same time in a different way. So first you have to write for a cash account data. So you just place your hand in your cash column, debit side cash column, and write to bank. At the same way, bank account credit. So bank account credit, you have to place your bank account at credit side, the same amount, and write cash. This is called contra entry. Rent paid by check 2,500. Rent paid by check. Rent account data to bank account. Here bank account is credit, so you just place your hand your bank column and write the amount 2,500 by rent. Salary paid, salary account data to cash account. So here also you have to write cash column. You just place your hand in cash column 3,500, write by salary. So now we finished our cash double column cash book. After this stage, you have to tally. You have to total out all the column. See your debit side 31,000 and bank column 46,500. So this debit side total is 29,000 only. So you have to tally this 31,000 minus 21,000. I'm minus 21,000. Remaining balance 10,100 we have. So as we know that debit side is receipt, what comes in debit, so cash. So debit side is excess, then credit side. So now we are showing remaining balance, so positive. This side the cash will comes this side, or whatever it is, cash or bank shown credit balance, we are in positive nature. So the same way you have to tally bank column 2. So this is the 30th. You have to transfer this balance carry down to beginning opening balance. As opening balance October 1 balance brought down. So this is our double column cash book.